Someone beautifully said that never give up. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Thomas Alva Edison have become the world's one of the most well-known scientists, but he failed many times. As Edison once said in his famous quote, I have no failed, I have found 10,000 ways that don't work. Many renowned personalities in the world have faced failure in their lives, but only to taste the success at the end. A very hearty morning to everyone presenter. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 standing before you to present today's morning assembly on the theme Failure to Success. Someone said, if you are afraid of failure, you don't deserve to be successful, and that's true. Embrace your failure, whether it is your first failure or more than one, because with the right attitude and a willingness to learn from your mistakes, you are guaranteed a lifetime of success. Oh Lord, today we are asking you to help us succeed as a student. Help us to focus on our work, protect us from prideful ego, and let humility lead us in the path of success you have carved out for us. So let us get ready for prayer. Everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, the act of patriotism and feeling patriotic are things which make a stronger nation. The main reason that the Pledge of Allegiance is said in schools is to instill a sense of patriotism amongst us. It's time to take pledge. So all of you get ready for pledge. And for this I would like to invite Rehan from class 8. Thank you, Rehan. We need failure to grow. It is life's ultimate lesson. Through failure, we will get to know ourselves better and we will learn from our mistakes. Many successful people have experienced some kind of failure and they build on those lessons. Let's move ahead, and that is thought of the day. For today's thought, I would like to call Nitya from class 8th. Good morning everyone. My name is Nitya. Thought of the day is, failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. And the meaning is, determination is our ability to try our best to keep on doing something even if it is very challenging to do so. It is a best antidote to failure. We achieve any new success in life by learning from our errors. And failure is what leads us to the right way. If our determination to achieve success is strong, then success is sure. Let us talk about Thomas Alva Edison. He used several different materials for the filament of the bulb, but encountered failure every time. He was filled with the determination and never felt discouraged or disappointed, and finally succeed. My dear friends, it is true that to reach success, we must travel through the road of failures. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Nitya, for such a nice thought. Newspaper provides news about a country's economic situation, sports, games, entertainment, trade and commerce. It gives us clear idea and understanding of what is happening in our country and in the whole world. But in the hustle bustle of life, we don't get time to read the newspaper. For today's news headlines, I would like to invite Nima from class 8th. Thank you so much, Nima, for today's news update. It's time to build our vocabulary. For word of the day, I would like to invite Vyom from class 8th. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vyom. Word of the day is envision. And the meaning of this word is visualize or to picture to oneself. Synonym of this word is fantasy, imagine and dream. And antonym of this word is actual, existing. I'm using this word in a sentence. When most of us think of New York, we envision bright city lights and crowds of people. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you so much, Vyom. Every one of us at one point of time in our lives faces failure. What is a failure? Failure, as a matter of fact, is a stepping stone of success. Every failure comes with a lesson. What we have to do is learn. Actually, failures mean beginning of success. Those who learn to capitalize on their failures ultimately taste the success in life. Let's listen the views of Preet from class 8th on how failure can be a tool and the road to success. Thank you so much, Preet. India is the land where we live in. It gives an identity to show that we belong to this particular nation. Thus, we need to give honor and respect to our nation. It's time to get ready for the national anthem. So get ready for the national anthem and start. After national anthem, it is simply true. No great success was ever achieved without failure. Let's celebrate failures as building blocks and focus on determination, positive mindset, and hard work to achieve what we want in life. Here we end today's morning assembly. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.